today's my topic is article. Do you know what is article? If not, then no matter, I will explain you very well. Before that, I tell you about the articles. It is very important to know our basic. If I were to ask you how many alphabet are there, what would you say? So, your answer should be the alphabet would have been 26 in English and there are 52 alphabet in Hindi. Okay? Now, this is the time to know about vowels and consonants. So, the alphabet is made up of 26 letters, 5 of which are vowels like A, E, I, O, U. This is 5 vowels and the rest of which are consonants. Okay? Now you are thinking that why did I tell you about the vowels and consonant? Vowels and consonants have a very important part in articles. How? I will explain this to you further in this video. Okay? Articles. What is articles? Articles is nothing. It is a part of adjective. How? I will explain you. So, it is simple that article can be studied under two groups. First group indefinite and second definite. A and N comes in indefinite and the comes in definite. I hope you understood. Now in this article we focus on sound. For example, a. A makes a and a sound in Hindi. Okay, and un makes sound un and n in Hindi. Just like that, the makes sound the and the in Hindi. I hope have you understood that. Now you will remember that I mentioned in the beginning that article is nothing. It is the part of adjective. But what are adjective? Now you need to know this first, right? Adjective. We have a definition. Adjective are words that are used to describe or modify nouns or pronouns. In a simple way, adjective is a word which is used before noun or pronoun, right? So, we know that adjectives tell about the quality, quantity, number or order of the noun that is describes. Okay, let us take an example to understand this. Ram is a good boy. So, what's the adjective in it? We know this good. Good is an adjective because there are many boys. But what kind of boy is Ram? Ram is a good boy. So, being good is the quality of Ram. And remember that adjective comes before the noun. I have told you this because as an adjective comes before a noun and tell the quality of the noun. Similarly, articles also comes before the noun and tell the quality of the noun. For example, Ram is a boy. So, what is Ram? Ram is a boy. Here comes a of the article before the boy. So, that was it. What are articles? Now, we will know that there are some rules for how to use them and after reading the rules, our concept will be clear. Okay. So, the first rule is where to use a and where to use an. So, rule number 1 is use a before consonant sound. For example, a cat, a boy, a house, etc. Now you can see in these examples have consonant sound like cat start with ka, boy start with ba and house start with ha. So here comes consonant sound. That's why a will be used here. Okay. Now rule number 2. Use an before vowel sounds. For example, an apple, an engineer, an old man, an umbrella. Apple start with a, engineer start with e, old man start with o and umbrella start with a. So here comes vowel sound. That's why an will be used here. Okay, I hope you understand it. So, let's see how much you understand. Here is a little exercise, fill in the blanks. Let's see by doing this exercise, and you must comment and tell how many questions of this exercise you have. Okay? So, this is a fill in the blanks with a or an. Okay? The first is elephant. Will a come before elephant or will an come before elephant? What? We know that elephant start with vowel sound E. So that's why un will be used here. Okay? Now second is car. Car start with consonant sound. So here what's come? A. Now teacher. Teacher start with consonant sound. So a will come here too. Okay? Onion. Onion start with vowel sound. So un come here. Okay? Now beautiful umbrella. Remember only umbrella is not here. Along with this beautiful is also associated. Therefore the article here will be considered according to beautiful, not umbrella. So beautiful start with consonant sound. That's why a will come here. The next is interesting story. Interesting start with vowel sound. So that's why un will come here. The next is university. Now you must be thinking that you have come in this which is a vowel, but it's not like that. Here's why, even if there is no vowel, but we have to look at vowel sound, and vowel sound is a. So that's why a will come here. The next is European. It is also start with consonant sound. So that's why a will come here. Okay. Now the next is our. Our start with consonant word. But here our is starting with vowel sound. A. So that's why un will be come here. Similarly, MA. MA in English. So MA start with vowel sound. So that's why un will come here. Okay. Now is the time to know about article the. So I have a few points from which we will find out where to put the. Okay. So the first point is the is used with unique people and unique things. For example, the sun, the earth, the president, the sky, and the CEO, etc. Okay. The second point is the is used with famous buildings, monuments, and museums. For example, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Globe, etc. The third point is the is used in such a way that a word cast is preceded by a noun so that its complete cast is understood. For example, the cow is an animal. The dog is useful. But keep in mind that this is not used with the plural common noun to denote the whole caste. For example, cows gives milk. Okay. The fourth point is this is used with superlative degree like the most, the lowest, the highest, the oldest, etc. The 5 point is this is used with ordinal numbers such as the last chapter, the third member, the first time, the last time, etc. Okay. The 6 point is these used with the names of countries whose name are kingdom, united or republic. Apart from this, we put the with the name of the country which is plural. For example, the United Kingdom, the USA, the Philippines, the Republic of Ireland, etc. Okay. 7 point is The is used with river, canal, ocean, sea, desert, etc. For example, the Ganga, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic, the Pacific, etc. Okay, the 8 point is this is also used with the name of families. For example, the Guptas, the Luthras, the Khans, the Mehtas, etc. The 9 point is after all and both we put the, and before whole and same we put the. For example, all the boys, both the girls, the whole class, the same bowl, etc. Okay. The 10th point is this is used with a noun which is definite, specific, and pre-familiar, already known to the speaker and the listener. In such a case, the noun is singular or plural, countable or uncountable. The is used. For example, the boys are honest. Some certain boys. Okay, boys are honest. Here the whole specific of boys is being understood and the noun is plural, hence the will not be used. Okay. The next point is the is used before the name of religion. For example, the Hindu, the Muslim, etc. The next point is the is used before the name of religious text like the Gita, the Quran, the Bible, etc. Okay. Now, these used before the name of patriots like the Bhagat Singh, the Mahatma Gandhi, etc. The next point is they is used before the name of the planets like the sun, the moon, the stars, etc. The next point is they is used before the names of the directions like the south, the east, the west, etc. The next point is they is used before the name of the season like the summer, the winter, the rainy, etc. So, this was a complete class of our article. And tell me how you like it by commenting. And if you like it, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.